Hello, everyone. This is Ted with a tech tip. Today, I'm going to show you how to take attendance in Google Meet automatically. So if you're having a class and you want to know who's in your class and for how long they were in that class and have a spreadsheet that shows you all the data that you need, this tutorial will show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get started. If you don't already know how to add extensions onto Chrome, they're right up here. This is where the extensions are. Extensions are basically tools that allow you to use your browser, in this case Chrome, in different ways. So I want to be able to add the Google Meet attendance. So I just did Google Meet attendance in my search bar there, and it comes to the Chrome Web Store. You're going to look for the one that has a little pixelated check mark. Looks like that, Google Meet attendance. Add that to Chrome. Once you add it, you're going to see it pops up right over here. There it is, Google Meet attendance. I'm going to click on the pin. That little pin, when you do that, it just makes it so you can see it. So now I can see it instead of it being hidden. I can see that it is there and it's being used. The other thing I'm going to add, as long as I'm adding things, is I'm going to go to Google Meet Grid View Fix. So click on that. You're going to look for the one that has the little green grid like that and add that. So I have two extensions that I just added. I added the attendance and the grid view fix. I'm going to pin both of those so that they are on my browser being used. And you'll see why in just a second why I did that. Now let's go ahead and test it out in a meeting. Here I am in a meeting. And you'll notice what it looks like now. Watch what happens when I click refresh. So I've added those extensions. So there's something different now when I join because it has an extension that's being used. You can read all of this on your own time when you install it. The only thing I want to point out is this right here. If you have more than 16 students in your class, you must also install the Grid View Fix. That's why we did that ahead of time, so we're ready to go. All right, so I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to go up here and select a class. I haven't added a class yet, so you just go to Add, and I'm going to call this Test Class. Now, whatever classes you have, you can add them all in there. So, let's say you have 5 different classes. You're going to add those 5 classes. It'll take attendance based on that class. You get a different spreadsheet for each class. It'll still take attendance if you don't create a class, but this just makes it a lot easier for organization. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now you'll see that test class is where we're at, and I'm going to join. Now, here's a bunch of information. You can read that on your own. There's nothing really important right now I need to take care of. So I just want that to go away. It'll go away in 10 seconds automatically. Otherwise, you click on that little green check mark down there and it's gone. Now I'm in a meeting. Make sure up here, this is your grid view fix, only show participants with video. That should not be selected. Other than that, I think you can select whatever you want based on your preferences. Just make sure the only show participants with video is not selected. All right. Now, I can't take attendance because there's nobody else here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my phone, and I've sent myself an invite to this meeting, and I'm going to join from my phone just to show you how this works. Anytime you join from your phone, let's say if you're using your phone for doing a demo, make sure you mute that guy and turn your volume all the way down. Otherwise, you get a weird echo. All right, so here I am. I have joined my own meeting. There I am, there I am, there I am. And so we're having a meeting, we're having a discussion, and the meeting's over. So this guy is saying bye. And now this meeting's over. I'm going to close it and watch what happens. You're going to see this little thing pop up right here, and it says auto-saved. And so I go down here to my downloads where it auto-saved, and I've got a spreadsheet showing everything that I need to see. So up here, see this? It's got all the data that I need. Ted Hansen, that's me. You can see when I was testing this out throughout the day, the different times I logged in and logged back out. Those little green boxes kind of show when I was there and when I wasn't. So makes it really easy, automatic. You can take attendance, you can keep track of who is in your meetings and for how long. So hopefully this tutorial showed you a little bit about how to add an extension, specifically the attendance, and using that grid view to help you with the attendance. And then you'll be good to go. If you're not already using this, I would encourage you to give it a try. If you're not already doing this technique for attendance, it can be really useful and a great time saver. Thanks. Have a great day.